Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I'll show you how to add automatic WooCommerce discounts without using coupon codes using Disco plugin. Disco is a WooCommerce discount plugin that helps store owner create automatic offers based on conditions. So instead of asking customers to enter a coupon code, the discount applies automatically when the rule matches. For this tutorial, I'll focus on Disco Pro. We can see the main discount intents, display features, front-end customer experience, sample orders, and analytics. So first, let's quickly visit the Disco website. Here you can see Disco is built for WooCommerce, dynamic pricing and discount rules, including product discounts, card discounts, bulk discounts, BOGO offers, bundles, and free shipping campaigns. Now let's check their WordPress page. So here you can see the free version is available as well on the wordpress.org directory. In this video we will use the pro version because it gives access to the advanced discount features we want to demonstrate. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard. So let's visit the dashboard. I already have the Disco and WooCommerce plugin installed. So we will go to the campaigns directly. So here you will need to click on create a discount, and here you can see here you can enter the campaign name, and we have 6 discount intents: product discount, card discount, shipping discount, bulk discount, bundle, and BOGO offers. So now we can go through them one by one. Product discount is useful when you want to discount specific products, categories, or any selected items. So let's click on that. For example, I can select a few products from here. For example, the hoodie with logo, I can select it. So here the product is selected. Here we can enter the user limit, which means how many user can use it. So in this case it is unlimited, we can enter any number, and here we can select the date, starting date, and here we can enter the expiry date, and here is the percentage discount, and we need to enter the discount value. For example, if we enter 10, it means 10% off. We can also change it to fixed discount. Here we can enter any condition if we want. So the discount will be applied only when the condition matches is first order. So if someone is placing their first order, only then this discount will be applied. Here we can say yes, and we can click on continue, and we also need to enter the campaign name. So here just write product. So here the campaign is created. Now we can turn it on if we want. Now let's visit the website, and here you can see the discount is showing, so anyone can purchase it. Now let's move to the card discount. Let's click on create a discount, and here we can write any campaign name. I can write card discount, and I will click on card, and here I can select the products on which I want to apply. For example, in this case we can choose beanie with logo, and we can keep this unlimited, and we can choose any date similar to the previous case, and here we can enter any percentage discount or fixed discount per cart item. So let's choose fixed discount in this case and enter $5, and here is the discount label. So let's write cart discount over here, and here we can choose any condition similar to the previous case, but let's continue, and we can enable this one. Now let's go to the website, go to the shop page, and here we have beanie with logo. Let's click on add to cart, view the cart, and here you can see cart discount is applied. Now let's quickly move to the third discount intent, which is shipping. You can choose shipping when you want to offer free shipping on any certain product when it matches some condition. So let's choose any product over here. So here similarly you can choose any product, apply the date and choose the condition when you want to offer the free shipping. So that's how this is gonna work. And then we have the bulk discount. Here let's choose all products in this case. In the bulk rules you can set up any kind of discount. For example, for 2 to 5 items we can say 5% off, and for 6 to 10 items let's say 10% discount. Now let's click on update and exit or save and exit. Now let's go to the website and go to belt. Here let's add 2 items to the cart now and go to the cart, and here you can see we are getting the 5% discount. So now let's move to the next discount, which is the bundle discount. Bundle discount refers to a pricing strategy where customers receive a discount when they purchase a specific set or combination of products. This discount can help WooCommerce store owners provide attractive offers and sell multiple products together to encourage larger purchases, sell products faster, and enhance the customer loyalty. For example, buy 5 products for 10% discount, buy 10 products for 15% discount, buy 15 products for 20% discount. So these kind of things. So here let's add a campaign name. Let's choose all products. Here you can enter user limit and date just like the previous cases. And here you can enter the item quantity. Let's select 5, and here you can choose all products or few products, whatever you want. So let's enter item quantity 5. Here you can enter any discount value, for example 10%. There's this another field recursive where you can enable or disable it. So you need to know that bundle discounts are mainly two types, recursive and non-recursive. In recursive bundle discount, the same quantity ranges and their matching discounts are repeated continuously, so the discount will apply repeatedly as the quantity changes. With non-recursive bundle discount, the discount applies only once per defined bundle, regardless of how many bundles the customer buys. Similarly, you can add more bundle rules. For example, for 10 item quantity, you can give 20% discount. So that's it. Let's click on continue. Open any product because it's applied to all the products. Let's enter 5 products to the cart this time and go to the shop page, and let's go to the cart, and here you can see the 5% discount is applied. And the next we have is BOGO offer. So let's cancel it and create new discount with campaign name BOGO and select BOGO over here. BOGO means buy one get one. With Disco Pro we can create offers like buy one get one free, buy two get one free, or buy one product and get another product discounted. So for example, I'll create buy one get one free. So in this case I'll choose polo shirt. Here we can choose buy X get Y products. So it's related to the products, and here we can choose the product. So if customer buys for example one quantity, and maximum will be one as well because we want to offer one free product when someone buys one product. So here we need to choose the product. So let's choose the product, get one. So here we need to choose free item. So this will be rewarded for free. Now let's go to the website and open the product, add it to the cart, view cart. Here you can see it's rewarded for free using the BOGO offer. So now let's go to the display option, and here we have some badges and elements that we can add to promote sales. So here for example the first one is the product badge that shows on the product item. We can also edit it. There are several versions that we can choose. So if you want to enable it, you can just click on enable and you can click on update. And now let's go to the store and see how it looks like. So here is it. Here you can see 10% off on the belt. And similarly, if we want to turn on this countdown time, that will show like this. We can click on update and we can go to the product and click on refresh. And here you can see, and there are more display options as well. You can see the previews over here, and if you want to turn it on, just click on enable and click on update and it will start showing. And similarly for the other campaigns, for example, if we just turn this off and we open this card discount, you can see the previews. You will know how they will look like when you will enable it. And if you want to enable any of them, just click on enable and make sure the campaign is enabled as well and click on update. Now let's go to the website and add the product to cart, because this element will show on the shopping cart, so we need to go to the cart. So here you can see that's how it is showing, and similarly you can enable the other options as well. And in different campaigns you will find different display options. For example, in bundle you will find display options like this. I can zoom it so you can see. So there will be like a table. So if you prefer to do like wholesale discounts, then you can enable the bulk discount and you can enable this display option as well. So it will show the bundle table. We can also enable it and see on which product it is going to apply. So it is on the all of the product. Let's enable the offer and click on update. Now go to the website. Let's go to the shop page and go to any product, and here you can see that's how it is showing. We have not added any discount label, that's why the title is not showing, but that's how it will look like. There's also another feature in this plugin, that is analytics. It will show your store analytics like this. So let's place some order and see how they show. So here I have placed some custom orders and you can see how the analytics are showing. We have 3 active campaigns and discount sale. We have made this much sale. Customer is one because I just placed order from my account, and 3 orders. And here you can see $105 sale from BOGO offers and $41 sale from product intent offer. And here you can also see the total revenue by intent. So that's how you will know which campaigns are performing more. You can keep those campaigns and optimize the other ones. And here we have campaigns reports. Here you can see how many orders, how many customer, date range, and similarly for the products. Here when you will have more orders, you will see the products and their discount performance. Here you can see all the orders. So that's how you can add WooCommerce discount without coupon codes using Disco Pro. We covered product, cart, shipping, bulk, bundle, and BOGO discount intents. We also looked at conditions, product badges, promotional highlights, front end results, sample orders, and analytics. If you run a WooCommerce store and want to create automatic discount campaigns without making customers enter coupon codes, Disco is a powerful option to check out. I'll add the Disco link in the description. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.